BUCHER Municipal is the #1 in municipal vehicles. Our mission is to keep traffic areas clean and safe. We achieve this with the widest product portfolio in the industry, from sweepers and winter maintenance equipment to refuse collection and sewer cleaning vehicles. We are committed to learn today what our customers will need tomorrow. That's why we invest significantly each year in research and development, to stay ahead and provide our customers the best solutions on the market. All our machinery is built in-house. We control the whole production process, from the first idea to the tightening of the last screw. For us, quality is key. That's why all our products are thoroughly checked before shipping to meet customer specifications and requirements. Let's look at our product portfolio in detail. BUCHER sweepers provide solutions for efficient and precise cleaning of public and private areas. Compact sweepers are ideal for navigating the tightest and most confined spaces. The wide range of models and options make our truck-mounted sweepers the ideal partner for municipal applications and heavy-duty work in road maintenance. With BUCHER Connect, fleet managers have a better overview of the status of their machines, making it easier to plan and to ensure that all vehicles operate optimally. If you need an expert for the most demanding surface cleaning jobs, our beam-specialized truck-mounted sweepers are the solution. They are tailored for the most arduous cleaning and jetting demands of contractors and airports worldwide. Sewer cleaning units from BUCHER are found all over the world, working even in the most extreme conditions. Our technical expertise has made our products the most efficient, reliable and environmentally friendly in the market. In Australia, we produce a wide range of side, front and rear loader refuse vehicles and a well-established range of bulk waste compaction equipment. Our long list of innovations, combined with industry-leading functionality and after-sales service, has made us #1 in Australia. BUCHER has got a wide product range of customized solutions for efficient and environmentally friendly winter services. Our products cover everything from snow plows and blowers for small to heavy trucks, spreaders for solid, mix and liquid media, up to airport de-icers. With our innovative Assist planning system, customers with a winter fleet can plan their operations from the comfort of their office, using a digital map and data from a meteo provider to define spreading parameters. As a BUCHER vehicle owner, you are also guaranteed a reliable after-sales service. Through our efficient spare parts operations, we ensure timely support and parts deliveries to our customers. BUCHER in-house training sessions help you to maximize the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of your machine. Advice and support is never far away. Our competence centers and a comprehensive network of dealers provide local expertise around the world. We at BUCHER Municipal are aware of our responsibility to society and the environment. That's why it is our mission to provide the communities with comfortable, sustainable tools to keep traffic areas clean and safe. BUCHER Municipal, #1 in municipal equipment.